Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Aulia Rosa Fadila. Here I will explain about ethics and how to work in Japan. Ojiki, the Japanese way of greeting business. When Japanese businessmen meet for the first time, instead of shaking hands, they will do ojiki or salute with a bow. The level of ojiki is also expressed according to the social status of the interlocutor by bowing longer and deeper. Turns out, there are all kinds of ojiki. There are two ways to do ojiki, namely while standing and sitting. When performing ojiki while standing, based on the degree of depth of bending, there are three types of ojiki, namely eshaku, keirei, saikeirei. There are points that distinguish how to greet with ojiki between women and men. For women, cover your right hand with your left hand, then place your hand in front of your thigh and then bend down. As for men, extend your hands on both sides of the body like the perfect gesture during a flag ceremony in Indonesia, then bow. However, depending on the type of work, there might be times when a male employee puts his hand in front. Remember, facial expressions are also an important element of greetings. Greet with an enthusiastic and cheerful face, except when you apologize and condolences. Say hello first, then bow. When greeting, it is very important to make eye contact with the other person. Also, don't rush to get up from the ojiki to show respect. Meishi Kaukan, the beginning of communication in the world of work in Japan. Meishi Kaukan means exchanging business cards. Business cards are an important Japanese business item. Some procedures for doing Meishi Kaukan. 1. Quickly remove the business card from the card case to the other person so that the other person can easily read your business card. 2. Put the business card on the card holder and hold the business card with both hands and face the card to the other person so that the other person can easily read your business card. 3. Describe the company name, title, and full name. Example, my name is Kimura from the sales department of Bangka Trading Company. 4. If the other person also shows their business card, show your business card in a lower position. 5. If the other party also issues a business card at the same time, hold the business card with the right hand and accept the partner's business card with the left. 6. After taking a business card with your left hand, immediately attach it to your right hand and then place it on the business card holder. 7. After placing the card on the card holder and holding it with both hands, say, I will accept it, thank you. In addition, while working in Japan, exchanging business cards is the order of the performance of the person with the highest position. Don't forget to follow the order of office. For example, the exchange of business cards starts from the director, manager, and so on. Time is money, the smart way of working in Japan. Pay attention to time and deadlines in all aspects of the work business in Japan. For this is actually not only a way of working in Japan. Wherever you are, you have to apply this. Be sure to check what and how many things you will be doing. Likewise with meeting times, appointments, and working hours every day you have to pay attention to. Those who are good at time management will have more confidence in doing work. Other ethics and ways of work in Japan to pay attention to. 1. Take lots of notes during the meeting. This doesn't just apply to the way things work in Japan. This shows your level of interest in the meeting. And you can also discuss important points with your partner afterwards. 2. When you visit a company or are invited to a meeting at a restaurant, don't sit down until the host invites you to sit down. 3. Even if you don't speak Japanese, learn simple Japanese that expresses greetings and thanks. 4. Don't put your hands in your pockets when talking to someone. This shows that the conversation is boring and uninteresting. 5. When pointing at something, don't point at someone with your finger or chopstick. It was considered a very rude act. 6. Don't blow your nose during a meeting. Please leave your seat and go to the restroom or do it outdoors.